In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to connect .NET Blazor web application to SQLite database using dotConnect for SQLite. You can choose between the free trial and the full version. The free trial lasts for 30 days and lets you explore all the available features. It cannot be used for commercial projects and does not require a license key. To start the trial, simply download the installer from the dotConnect website and install it on your machine. If you purchase the full version, your activation key will be available on the dotConnect customer portal. To get started, you need to create a new Blazor project in Visual Studio. Once the project is set up, you will install the necessary components to enable SQLite connectivity. Right-click on the Solution Explorer, select the NuGet Package Manager and manage NuGet packages for solutions. Search dotConnect Data SQLite and click Install. Your project is ready to work. In our case, we'll configure the project by replacing the default code with a pre-written script that checks the connection to your SQLite database. The video's description includes an example of this code. First up, let's define a C# class to represent the actor table. Next, we need a way to connect to the database and retrieve data. To do this, we'll create a database service class. This service will handle the database connection and retrieval of actor data using the SQLite connection class and dotConnect Data SQLite library. dotConnect for SQLite perfectly works with SQLite encryption extension. Additionally, you can protect your data with many encryption algorithms. For more detailed information, please refer to the link in the description. With the database service ready, it's time to register it in the Blazor app's dependency injection container. This line registers database service as a singleton, making it available throughout the application. Now for the exciting part, displaying data in your Blazor application. Create a new Blazor component. This component will use the database service to fetch and display actor data. Click on the Run button to start the application. Now that the test is running successfully, you're ready to expand on this foundation. You could add more tables, build additional components, or enhance the UI to create a more interactive experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Feel free to share the video with anyone who might benefit from it.